As many of you are back to work in person, you may have noticed those plastic dividers that are up between you and your coworker. You probably see them a lot of places around the city, but how much is that protecting people from COVID? 11 Alive's Ron Jones verifies.
At 11 Alive, we verify those stories making the rounds on social media. We are Where Atlanta Speaks, and we love to help answer your questions. There's a study on the internet that asks, can plastic dividers in the workplace and school reduce the spread of COVID?
A little inconvenient, but it does give me comfort.
Probably not if they're wearing a mask already.
Well, let's verify. Our sources are a recent study by British government health officials and 11 Alive medical correspondent Dr. Sujatha Reddy. Whether you're at work, the grocery store, or even possibly at school, the use of plastic dividers to protect against coronavirus are a common sight now. But are they effective?
I think it's taking the necessary precaution.
Well, according to a study by British health researchers, plastic dividers may have some benefit to protect from large droplets of COVID-19, but they also concluded screens are unlikely to reduce exposure to virus in smaller aerosols as they can easily pass around a screen with the airflow. Will they truly protect you from COVID-19?
It may give people a false sense of security.
Dr. Reddy agrees with a recent study which suggests plastic dividers offer limited protection.
We know that a lot of coronavirus is transmitted through very small drops or aerosolized drops, which you can almost not even see. So those are able to get around barriers. And if someone has coronavirus and they're in a barrier space or behind a screen, you may be creating this dense volume of particles that may be more likely to get out.
Dr. Reddy says it's better to trust what works.
Vaccination, masks, and that social physical distancing.
And I had COVID really bad in January. I had every symptom you can think of.
This is Where Atlanta Speaks, and your neighbors are sharing their thoughts about plastic dividers.
I think you still have to make sure you sanitize and take the other necessary precautions as well.
So we can verify that plastic dividers can reduce the spread of COVID-19, but is limited in its effectiveness against small droplets of the virus. If you see something floating around on the internet or social media you want verified, shoot our Verify team an email or text the word verify to the number on your screen.